Nobody sat down and taught GPT-4 to do three-digit arithmetic. It just started getting them right. That's emergence. And it's one of the least intuitive things happening in AI right now. Most people assume that if a model can do something, someone trained it to do that thing. Reasonable assumption. Also wrong. Emergence is the phenomenon where capabilities appear in a model that were never explicitly part of the training objective. The model was trained to predict the next word. Somewhere along the way, it learned to solve logic puzzles. Here's what most explainers miss about why that's strange. When you scale a language model, more parameters, more data, more compute. Some abilities improve gradually. Grammar gets a little better. Coherence tightens. That's a scaling law. Predictable, smooth improvement on tasks the model already partially handles. Emergence is different. It's the moment a capability jumps from essentially zero to functional, almost like a switch flipping. Researchers at Google documented this across dozens of tasks. A model with 10 billion parameters would score near chance on multi-step arithmetic. Double the size and it still scores near chance. Then at a certain threshold, sometimes around 100 billion parameters, accuracy jumps to 80 or 90%. No gradual climb, just a phase transition like water turning to ice. 1 degree it's liquid, the next it's solid. The honest version of the science, though, includes a real debate. A 2023 paper from Stanford argued that some of these jumps are measurement artifacts, that if you use smoother scoring metrics instead of binary pass-fail, the improvement looks more gradual than sudden. That's a legitimate critique, and it shifted how researchers talk about emergence, but it didn't settle the question. Other capabilities, chain of thought reasoning, code generation from natural language descriptions, still appear to cross thresholds that are hard to explain as mere measurement effects. And this is where emergence stops being an academic curiosity and becomes an AI safety problem. If capabilities can appear unpredictably at scale, then we can't fully anticipate what the next generation of models will be able to do. We're building systems where the instruction manual writes itself after deployment. That's not science fiction, it's the engineering reality that AI labs are navigating right now, and it's the core reason that evaluation and monitoring matter as much as the models themselves. If that was useful, subscribe to New Explainer every week. I'm Ariella.